Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how we can use the display capture to capture your display and to record it for your videos or streams using the OBS streaming software. Really quickly, guys, it is actually super simple. So make sure you keep watching, drop a like, and now let us get started. So launch OBS, make sure that your OBS Studio is up to date. And what you want to do first, guys, is head over here to Sources and click on that plus icon here to add a source and select Simply Display Capture from that drop-down menu. Now give your new capture a name, so let me name it, for instance, Display Capture 2, and after that add it by clicking on OK here. That is going to add it to your list of sources. After that, select the display here below, the monitor you would like to use for that from that menu. Now if you only use one monitor, this will be the only monitor available here, and select Automatic as your capture method. Capturing and recording your display means basically, guys, that everything you see on your display is being captured, streamed, and recorded. Not like, for instance, recording only windows or specific programs or games or applications, but everything you see and it is displayed here in your display will also be recorded, including, for instance, the cursor. If you leave this feature here enabled, capture cursor. So that's basically it, guys. Confirm by clicking on OK here. And in the last step, you may, for instance, adjust your display so that it fits your canvas here in OBS. To do that, simply right click on the display capture in your sources list here, head over to transform and select fit to screen here to the right, or alternatively use the shortcut Ctrl F so that your canvas here in OBS fits the entire screen or display. So that's basically it, guys. That's how we do it. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel.